Hello and welcome to another video of Scent Explorer. I'm Mohammed Hassan and today we have another natural niche perfume by brother Mahir from Elkhaldi Perfumes. He's from Palestine and I am again going to give a salute to all the Palestinian and brave Palestinian people. Okay, so this perfume is called tobacco spice and the ingredients, some of the ingredients are written over here. Greek tobacco, cardamom, leather, bitter orange, Thai and Hindi oud. So it says by Elkhaldi. So let's find out what this brother has actually made. So I'm going to spray it on my hands. So let's spray it. 2 sprays. The start is very sensual, vibrating, light makeup kind of vibe to it and sweet. It is kind of like a melody, okay? So if you picture it, I would say that a very beautiful woman playing a melody on a violin or something and kind of like romantic kind of opera setting. Now the tobacco, I really love the tobacco over here and cardamom. They are really shining over here. In the other perfume, I think there was one other where I was not able to get the tobacco or the cardamom, but here cardamom and tobacco, they are creating a very lovely kind of like scent profile that is very attractive, very sweet, very calming, very alluring kind of, that it is trying to attract you towards itself. This is very beautiful perfume. So I think the citrus I have sniffed in the first spray, in the top notes, it might be bitter orange because citruses mostly stay at the top. Dry makeup kind of vibe, bitter orange, sweet. Oud is there but in the base. So mostly it's Thai ouds are mostly, they are sweet, and Hindi oud, they have some skank or some sturdiness, or they are have some power. This is a very beautiful blend and I would definitely recommend it for women because in my opinion, I think it is very attractive kind of perfume. So I would put it in a kind of like sweet citrus gourmand, light gourmand kind of perfume because it has something like bitter orange or some sweetness, some light makeup, light powderiness, and something green. So it is kind of like sensual, alluring, trying to attractive kind of perfume, and I think it would suit a woman the best. This is very lovely perfume. So I think that musk and Hindi oud is also there because it has some animalic, light animalic touch to it. This is a very well done perfume in my opinion, tobacco spice, and it has Greek tobacco, cardamom, leather, bitter orange, Thai and Hindi oud oils. This is really good. Now this is in the mid notes, almost mid notes, and mid notes are having some leather and some oud, some something more dark and bassy rather than very fresh or sweet candy kind of gourmand kind of top notes. Now it is more relaxing, more calming. It doesn't have bitter orange, it has leather, it has maybe light tobacco, it has some touch of Hindi oud oil. That is what I'm sensing now. Yes, I think I would definitely recommend it for women. It is an attractive perfume. I'm going to give it this title, attractive perfume for women. Okay, so if you are a woman and you want to try something attractive or alluring, something natural, tobacco spice is for you. And I'm going to rate it 8 out of 10 for scent profile and 8 out of 10 for performance. It has now a musky kind of powdery, light powdery makeup kind of vibe or feel to it. Maybe it's tobacco, green tobacco, I'm not sure, but it has that kind of vibe. So I would say it would suit women more because personally I don't like powdery scents on my skin at all. Okay, so I think I touched the mic anyhow. So I don't personally like these powdery perfumes, but I think it would feel very good on a skin of a woman, but in the winters. I would recommend it for winters. Although I think it can be pulled off in summer, but I would definitely not use it in summers, okay? So that is all. I hope you have enjoyed this video about tobacco spice. If you have used any perfume or natural perfume, do let me know in the comment section below. I will meet you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.